Good morning, this is Jeff with Kent Base. I just want to do a really quick video on these door sills. I pulled them out quite a long time ago, 6-7 months, and it's sometimes hard to remember exactly how things go back. But this is how I think it goes, and I wanted you to see this so in case you had to do it. Okay, the carpet's in, and the carpet comes all the way around to about here. You can put it right into about the center. If you need to make a hole in the carpet, I find that it's very easy to melt a hole with one of these hot irons. Just melt a hole in it, and make sure you don't go too big, but it kind of seals it so it prevents it from unraveling. There's two parts here. There's this piece going into the back, which is a separate part, held on by a screw here, and this screw is longer than these screws. These are really short little ones, so there's 4 of the little ones and there's 2 of the very long ones that go down in and hold it in. Now the way I've cut this is so that the carpet comes up under it. Now this lip holds the carpet down, and then it also holds it on this side a little bit, but that's what keeps the carpet down in place. You don't want to cut the carpet along this line here because it won't be held in place by this rail. You want it held in place by the rail, and in the back you want this piece to hold the side carpet. Okay, I'll go over to the other side. Here's actually one of the rails. I'll just bring that along with us. It's got the holes. And here's the back rail. So it's got some sort of opening. I don't know what that's for. All I do is I use the screw here, so this rail go back in there, and it holds the side on, and it's secured right there. Then this one will be on top, and those holes will bind together. Now you don't want any carpet coming out up on this side of this rail, so right there where I've cut it is good that way. But to tell you the truth, you pull it, bend it, it's a little bit long. It'll work probably, but remember your screw holes are right there. So you could move it in. You could cut right to the edge of the hole. I will probably trim about 1/2 inch off of this, bring it about there, and then melt a hole in for these. That's probably the way I'll do it. Each one of these holes is in there, so I'll bend it down, melt a hole right there, and maybe cut just a bit off the end. This one here is way too long, so it's got to be cut. So everything's going to come up over this lip and then come into here, and then you put your on top of it. Now the length of that carpet is a little bit long. See it coming out under there? You really don't want to see it under there. This is in the position it should be in, so just trim that up just a little bit and you'll be good. Going up towards the front. Now what I will do is trim across here into this zone here and take this piece out. And then of course there's the big bolt, the big screw goes in here, and the little ones are going in these spots. All right, hope that helps. Get your carpet laid in place. Here's what the other one looks like laid in place. Seems all right to me. Kent Base out. Please follow us, like us, and you all have a great day.